In this recording, we will discuss research basics. This includes finding peer-reviewed articles, evaluating sources, using Chicago Manual of Style, citing sources, and avoiding plagiarism. During your academic career, you will be given many assignments that require you to find peer-reviewed articles. Peer-reviewed articles are articles that have been reviewed by peers in the author's field and published in an academic journal. Academic journals are basically scholarly magazines, and they are found in library databases. Databases are digital collections of academic journals and other content such as newspapers, ebooks, and multimedia. Library databases are similar to subscription services such as Netflix. Netflix, for example, is a collection of multiple movies, TV shows, and other sort of media. Some databases are format specific. For example, Major Dailies only houses newspapers, and EBSCO ebook collections only house ebooks. Databases can also be subject specific. For example, SocIndex only has resources related to sociology. Databases can also be multidisciplinary. This means they have resources about many types of subjects. Examples of these types of databases include Academic Search Premier and Project Muse. How do you tell if an article is peer-reviewed or not? Using library databases is the best way to find peer-reviewed articles. Some databases, like Project Muse, only contain peer-reviewed resources. Other databases, like Academic Search Premier, have filters so that users can choose to only view peer-reviewed sources. You can also access Ulrich's periodical directory to look up peer-reviewed or refereed journals. Today, we will discuss evaluating sources using the CARS method. To learn about evaluating sources with other types of methods, please visit LMU's Evaluating Sources Research Guide. The CARS method can be used to evaluate both peer-reviewed and non-peer-reviewed sources. However, peer-reviewed sources will meet the following criteria more often than other sources. When you evaluate a source, you are looking for who wrote the source and why they wrote it, if the information is accurate and as objective as possible, and if it is relevant to your research. Indicators of a credible source include the author's credentials, a demonstration of quality control, such as the peer review process, and a summary or abstract of the work. Indicators of an accurate source includes up-to-date information, an effort to be as comprehensive as possible, and the presence of an audience. This is usually demonstrated through the use of jargon or technical language. A reasonable source avoids biases such as economic and religious biases, avoids sweeping statements and intemperate language, and engages the subject thoughtfully. Reliable sources provide citations and engage in discourse. The claims of a reliable source will be supported with evidence from research.